Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 not launching from the Xbox app or Microsoft Store on PC. Whether your game won't start, gets stuck while installing, or refuses to download altogether, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the exact fixes you need. First, open the Start menu and type WSReset. Click on it and wait while the Microsoft Store automatically repairs itself. A window may open and close, which is completely normal. Next, open the Start menu again, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes, then type SFC, Scan Now, and hit Enter. Windows will now scan and repair any corrupted system files, which can take a few minutes. After that, open the Start menu, type Xbox App, right-click it, and select App Settings. Scroll down and click Repair, then click Reset once it finishes. Do the same for the Microsoft Store by typing it in the Start menu, opening App Settings, repairing, and resetting it. These steps often fix installation problems caused by app corruption. Finally, fix or reinstall gaming services, which is another common culprit. Open the Start menu, type PowerShell, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Paste the commands, press Enter, and click Get in the new window to reinstall gaming services. Once everything is done, restart your PC, open the Xbox app, and try downloading, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll have repaired the Microsoft Store, fixed the Xbox app, restored system files, and reinstalled gaming services, making sure your game installs and launches without issues. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might be struggling too.